coaching thought for the day. One thing that we don't talk about a whole lot as coaches, and one thing that I did not anticipate when I became a coach, was the loneliness factor. The loneliness factor is high with instructional coaching, as it turns out sometimes, especially early on. I came to a brand new school and I didn't know any teachers or anyone, so a lot of alone time for that and getting to know people, building relationships. But even if you are in a school where you have been for years and you become an instructional coach, there suddenly is this loneliness factor because you are no longer a teacher and people don't see you as a teacher. You are no longer you are not an administrator. You don't want people to see you as an administrator, but you're kind of in this no man's land. You don't really have people you can, talk to, like those teacher friends that you can't talk to them about, things that you're experiencing as an instructional coach and sharing that information about other teachers. So it can be really tough. So today I just want to encourage you, if you find yourself high in the loneliness factor, make sure that you find somebody to reach out to. For me, I am very fortunate because I work in a district that has several other people that are in my same position, and I have support if I need it and when I need it. But if you don't have that, I encourage you, find your people. Maybe it's in a Facebook group online. Sometimes even just finding a good blog to plug into, you just kind of feel like you've got a friend. Maybe it's even this TikTok video. I didn't think about that, but maybe that's what it is. But just find your people, find that encouragement, and just keep that course and don't let that loneliness get you down. Start building relationships and just seek out whatever it is that you need.